Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about the difference between the three popular terms in Java, JDK, JRE, and then JVM. First, we are moving into JDK. So, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So this JDK mainly consists of the following. What are those? One is Java compiler, another one is JVM, another one is Java library. Simply, JDK is the Java software. JDK is simply the Java software which is used for running your Java programs. Internally, the JDK consists of three components. Assume this is the diagram of JDK. It consists of Java. See, now write on the diagram. This is JDK, Java Development Kit. It consists of the first one is Java compiler. What is the purpose of Java compiler? It is used to compile the source code and generate the bytecode. There are two stages, compilation stage and execution stage. So the Java compiler is used to compile the Java source code and generate the bytecode. Now, whatever the bytecode generated, what about JVM? This part is called JVM. JVM is a Java virtual machine which is used to execute bytecode. JVM purpose is to execute the Java bytecode. Now, Java library. This is the third component, Java library. So Java library will provide predefining programming components. Suppose during execution, if you need any predefined components which are used for constructing the applications, Java library provides the predefined components. This entire box is called as JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Now follow step by step. JDK is the overall software. The software consists of a Java compiler along with JRE. Now I am moving into JRE. What stands for? Java Runtime Environment. Now the JRE will consist of JVM and Java library. JVM and Java library. So simply JRE is a set of software tools for developing Java applications. Environment means the place. Simply JRE provides some set of software tools for developing Java applications. It provides the runtime environment. Simply, it is the implementation. It is the implementation of JVM. So JRE is physically existed in your system. JRE is physically existed in your system. Now, this is the diagram of JRE. Internally, what the JRE consists of? Suppose this one. Now, so this one is JRE. It consists of JVM along with libraries. Simply, these are the libraries. Along with it also contains some other files. So some supporting files for the library. Supporting file for the library. Okay. Now what is the main important? Now the next main important term is JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Mission. Java Virtual Mission. The name specify JVM is physically not existed. Virtual means the physically JVM is not existed. JVM is simply a specification. JVM is simply a specification that provides runtime environment in which our bytecode is executed. Now, whatever the bytecode that is generated by the Java compiler, that is loaded into JVM, and the JVM runs this bytecode. JVM runs this bytecode. Remember, the JVM runs the bytecode not only for Java. If consider any programming language, after compilation, if it generates the bytecode, that bytecode is executed by the JVM. That means JVM is not a belong to Java type. Any compiler, it produces the bytecode, that is dot class files. Such files are executed by the JVM. That files are executed by JVM. Now, simply JVM consists of class loader. Along with the class loader, different memory partitions, class area, heap area, stack area, program counter register, native method stack. This is the second part. Mainly JVM consists of three parts. One is class loader subsystem. This is called as class loader subsystem. The second part is Java runtime system. Java runtime system. Along with it has the execution engine. Execution engine which supports the execution of your bytecodes. It is connected with the native method interface. Native method interface. Here we are providing the Java native libraries. Okay, this is the architecture of JVM. Now you got it. What is the difference? JDK, Java Development Kit, is the software which consists of Java compiler and JVM and Java library. JVM and Java library clubbed together, that is called as JRE, runtime environment. It is physically existed. It is physically existed. Now, JVM is the virtual machine which is used to execute the bytecode, and the virtual machine is not existed physically. Okay. So this is the difference. Anyway, here what is the main important thing? This JVM. Anyway, the next sessions we will discuss the complete architecture of JVM. Complete architecture of JVM. Thank you.